You know it.
Hi. How's it going?
Yeah.
You know, I got crazy hair. You know, I got, look at my eyebrows. They're so big and fluffy. Oh my gosh, you got like monkey ears. Look at them. Look at them. They're like huge. Look at my big old eyebrows. I just can't get over them. They're so ugly. I just need to cry right now. I just need to cry. Let it all out. Let it all out. But I feel happy right now. So happy. Yeah, ooh, that chicken I ate last night, not doing me good right now. Like, it was like stir fried or something. I just need to, ew, I can still taste it in my mouth. Still a little sour. I'm just so mad at that Chinese cooker. She didn't deep fry it. She didn't deep fry it. Whoa, I think I burped while I was getting angry. Anyway, I just gotta cry again. I just gotta let it all out. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Thank you for listening to my show. I gotta go.